This roundabout just kept on going round and round and round. So good to finally be in Dubai after 3 years since before COVID happened. And it was just great having the heat as well. So we ended up at our hotel, Damac Mason Distinction. I think I got that name right, but there's quite a few in the area. But I was quite impressed with the lobby area as well. Great first impression going in, really. Right, Damac Mason Distinction. There's so many Damac hotels. We had to show the driver the exact address, but this is what it is. It's basically an apartment style layout. You got the kitchen here, the lounge area. I mean, look at that. Honestly, toilets are so important. I mean, yeah, look at that. And I was quite surprised when I walked in. There's 3 of them. Good for me and the family. Kids can go here. It's a good one there. The view's okay. Not bad. You get a bit of a skyline there. But yeah, it's not really high up. That's okay. Oh, is that the Burj Khalifa? Yeah, that is. It's not a proper view of it. There was a proper view of the Burj, but naturally it cost a bit more. So yeah, I wanted to save a bit. Here's the other bathroom. It's really nice. Sort of the main room with the TV, good little space for editing, and again same sort of view. No, but honestly I gotta say I'm so glad to finally have landed. The Heathrow flight is just awful. It's one of the worst I've been on. The staff obviously tried, but it's just the way BA are really. It was just it was 2 hours late. Sleeping was awful. I couldn't get a wink of sleep. That's probably to do with economy class. My ears killed, absolutely killed. I have this problem on long haul flights, and literally it was really annoying. So I don't know if I'm deaf or the guy, especially down in reception, he had to repeat his instructions a couple times. And I even went to the wrong room as well, so I'm a bit not with it. I might sort of sleep and just have a bit of a rest, really. Oh, by the way, when I said that building was a Burj Khalifa, before it wasn't, it was some other building, sorry. It's not even the tallest building, and I feel like falling over just looking at it. Decided to head off to Dubai Mall, and it's supposed to be about 15-20 minute walk. And we ended up coming up to this park, and it was just really lovely. I just felt the heat just radiate on my skin, and it wasn't burning, it wasn't piercing or anything. It was just absolutely lovely. Such a difference from the harsh freeze that we've had in the UK recently. And the scenery right in front of me, that landscape, that skyline, it was just fantastic. You know what, this heat is really nice. It's really nice. Didn't actually have the sound for this bit, but there was a bit of tooting going on the road, and that's because somebody jaywalked, and jaywalking is an offence, a felony as they say in the US. You can get fined for it. Ottoman's Lounge, I wonder if this is any good. Well, this is quite nice. If you can't afford a meal, it's on us. That's nice. It is a bit of a long walk to the mall, but it is worth it. It's quite a few things to see along the way, and the water just looks really lovely. This is interesting. Sounds like a waterfall. It is really busy here. I'm just looking for Cheesecake Factory at the moment. Gonna try that, see what the hype is all about. Finally found Cheesecake Factory. Now I want to see what the fuss is all about, really. I know their prices are going to be quite a lot, so I did check out their menu. And yeah, there's a few things that I definitely wanted to consider. I had a look at some of the burgers, and I think that's what caught my eye initially. They gave some complimentary bread for starters. I have to admit, the brown looking one looked a bit like a Swiss roll. I did poke it to make sure. This was part of the kids' meal, and it was one of the best pizzas I've actually had. And it was just a plain margherita, really impressive. And they gave some chicken strips and some chips with the kids' meal, and I was quite thoroughly impressed. The quality was so good. This was my one. It was the beef burger with the strips on it, and it was actually really lovely to look at. It was juicy, tender, lots of flavour just oozing out of it, and it is one of the best burgers I've ever had, so it did live up to its name. This is the fried chicken burger with coleslaw in it. I'm not a fan of coleslaw, so I didn't really eat it. And our dessert was a mango cheesecake. I pretty much ate the biscuit at the bottom. I don't really like mango, don't ask why I ordered it. And this is Candylicious, a halal candy shop. I mean, it's a candy shop really. Well, where can you go wrong with this? It's roughly £2 for a packet of Maltesers. Just have a think about that. To get Maghrib in, as I was slightly late for it. Tell you what, it's been a tiring day. Can't wait to get back to the hotel. Put together the video. It's going to be a long one. I'm going to combine the initial day with the first one. But yeah, it's been really good. Really good.